In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a board secret. This quick walkthrough is designed for the web or desktop experience, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to hide a board so it's no longer visible to others on your public profile. Keeping a board secret is perfect for planning privately, organizing work-in-progress ideas, or simply keeping things tidy without broadcasting them. Start by heading to your profile. On most web and desktop layouts, you'll find your profile picture in the top corner. Click it to open your profile page. This takes you to the space where all your boards live, making it easy to pick the one you want to update. Before you move on, double check you're in the right account if you manage more than one. Next, open the board you want to hide. Give it a quick look to confirm it's the correct one. Title, cover image, and contents, so you don't accidentally change the visibility on the wrong board. It's always a good idea to take a second here, especially if you have boards with similar names. Once you're inside the board, look for the small menu next to the board name. Depending on your interface, you'll either see a three dots menu or a pencil icon. Both lead to the same place. Click it to access the board controls. If you're unsure which one to choose, hover over the icons. You should see a label indicating options or edit. From that menu, select Edit Board. This opens your board's settings, where you can adjust important details like the title, description, and most importantly for this video, visibility. You're in the right place if you see a panel or pop-up with editable fields. Now scroll to the visibility section. Find the option labeled Keep this board secret and toggle it on. Turning this on hides the board from your public profile and prevents it from being easily discovered by others. Think of this like flipping a privacy switch. It keeps the content just for you and anyone you deliberately share it with. Take a moment to make sure the toggle is clearly set to on before continuing. Finally, click Done to save. This is a crucial step. Your changes won't apply unless you confirm them. After you click Done, you should see the settings close and your board reflect the updated privacy. If you don't see any change, reopen the settings to confirm the toggle stayed on and click Done again. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully made your board secret on web or desktop, giving you a private space to plan and organize with confidence.